Mobileye is actively targeted by cybercriminals and information thieves. Our security starts with you. Here are 5 tips on how to do it. Tip number 1. Keep your workspace clear. Don't leave your ID card or passwords unattended on your desk. Lock sensitive documents. Lock your computer when unattended. Tip number 2. Look out for strangers in the office. If you see someone unfamiliar or walking around the office without an ID card, show them to the front desk. Don't let anyone in after you. Tip number 3. Choose a strong password. No, not your birthday. Remember to change your password every 6 months and keep it to yourself. Do not reuse passwords. Tip number 4. Don't use USB devices at work. Don't connect USB devices, backup drives, and other removable devices to your work computer. If needed, consult with the security department on how to do it safely. Tip number 5. Surf safely. This is how you do it. Connect to known and secure Wi-Fi networks. Use only popular browsers. Access only encrypted and known websites. Don't get caught by phishing. Pay attention to suspicious links and attachments from emails and websites. Think before you click. Don't download unknown files or install software on your computer. Use the VPN solution provided by Mobileye for sensitive information. Remember, if you experience any security issues or incidents, please contact the security department immediately. Who knows? You might be the Mobileye defender who saves the day.